So let me take a look at the admin tools. Membership questions. I'm going to set this up while I'm here. I want to make sure that the people joining the group are the people that we want in the group. Keep out spammers and people selling things. So you can ask up to 3 questions. A written answer. Okay. Why is that not saving? The rules usually self-populate. You can make your own, but you usually just self-populate those. Click on that. Let me go ahead and set up some topics here. Assignments. This is going to help organize the information that I'm putting up here. You can actually tag the posts so I can organize, and then if you're looking for something specific, you're going to be able to search and find it very quickly. Videos, assignments.